Rose was a sweet and caring Brachiosaurus dinosaur. She would go out of the way to help everyone. Her family warned, "Don't be so naive. People may take advantage of your helping nature." But Rose was unperturbed by the warnings. One day, a T-Rex was howling in pain right outside Rose's cave. Nobody approached to help, thinking that the ferocious T-Rex was acting just to dupe him into becoming his lunch. Despite warnings, Rose went to the T-Rex. She noticed a prickly thorn poking out of his eye. Immediately, she pulled it out. Relieved of the pain, the T-Rex explained, "I have short forelimbs. It couldn't reach my eye, and no one else came to help because I look dangerous." Rose smiled and told all dinosaurs around them, "Looks can be deceptive. Give everyone a chance. We all are more than our looks." Independent Steph. Steph was a young dinosaur living in a huge cave with her parents. From the moment Steph woke up in the morning to when she went to bed again, Steph was catered by someone or the other, never having to do even a single thing herself. One afternoon, finding herself all alone in the cave, Steph began to cry loudly. Hearing her cries, an old neighbor rushed in and asked, "What's wrong?" Sobbing, she replied, "I can't get out of my room. The door isn't open." Surprised, the old dino opened the door for her and stayed with her until her parents arrived. Then he said to them, "Steph is spoiled. She feels someone will always be there to do things for her, so she doesn't even try. Sometimes it's best to guide instead of giving everything, so the little dinos are never dependent on someone else." The strength of unity. For days, Greg, a Giganotosaurus, was seen lurking around the small community of Gravitolus dinosaurs in the forest. Greg was always on the lookout for an opportunity to hunt one of the Gravitolus dinosaurs, but each time they noticed him approaching, they'd come together in a huddle. So, an attack from any side of the huddle could be tackled. This strategy worked, and Greg left defeated and hungry each time. One day, an argument erupted in the Gravitolus community, and everyone decided to go his separate ways. That afternoon, when Greg approached the community, there was no huddle, no group protecting one another. Delighted at the sight, Greg devised a plan and attacked the Gravitolus dinosaurs. One after the other, he hunted the entire community. Having lost their strength and prowess, they lost their lives, forgetting that there is no strength greater than that of unity. Eva the Bully. Eva was a Stoxosaurus dinosaur living in a small cave in a huge, lush green forest. The whole forest was full of dinosaurs of different types, and Eva, being a big dinosaur, bullied other smaller dinosaurs. One day, as Eva went out looking for a victim, she came across a small group of baby dinosaurs playing in an open field. Stealthily, she approached them, waiting for the perfect opportunity to attack. As Eva observed the dinosaurs, she decided to come out. As soon as she did so, she was shocked to see that none of them was scared. Eva tried again, but failed. They continued to play. Embarrassed, she left them alone. Immediately, the baby dinosaurs laughed and said, "Our teacher, Mrs. Dino, was right. Bullies go away if we pay no attention to them." And they resumed their play.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share Subscribe to Sahil Book House.